My dear followers, I would like to bring an update about the building that most of you have been seeing on Facebook, our Instagram page, our X, on TikTok. This is the structure that I've been taking photos here. It's one of the best structures, and it carries over 1,000 birds. Through, I will pass you some small bits of the poultry house. Hope you can see we have managed to economize and to see that we build a very well strategy structure has been built. This is how it looks like. We have our iron sheets, we have our chain link, and then we have our poultry mesh outside here for the case of outside. So most of you have been asking, it's built of timber and then trees plus plywood and then iron sheets. There is no much need for cement. The only cement that was used was for these bricks down here and then inside here. Then inside. So here we see our foot bath here. This is where we are going to place the water. Inside here we have not yet started this down floor here. So I'll pass you through. The down floor not yet started. We open and then enter inside. Yes. Down here basically we have used concrete. Down here we have used the concrete, hope you can see. And then the structure is well set here. This whole space, it takes over 2,500 birds. 2,500 down, 2,500 up. So this is the down floor. It's made of concrete. These are the pillars that are holding the house. This pillar stops here down, and then this pillar crosses up to up. The roofing, so this is the downer floor. So I will take you through the upper floor also. We take a look of it. So we step, move outside, just like you have seen. Just like you have seen. Just like you have seen. Our ladders are well organized, like you can see. But before I take you to the upper floor, I would love to request you, if you have not yet subscribed, please press the subscription button, subscribe, like, press the notification button to see that you don't miss any of my videos. We are on the top floor to see that I told you. So we climb systematically, see that we are on the top floor. Hope you can see. Left without down floor. So on our top floor, up here, it's where we have started from. Down here we have placed plywood. Hope you can see. This is plywood. It's the one that has been placed there. This is the whole room. This is the whole room of our upper floor. So we have prepared that everything is in place. Since we received our first shift of the birds, the 2,500 are already in place. These are the coffee husks that we are going to place here. We have our drinkers for our small birds. So in here, we received some birds. Then, on this plywood here, we always place there this paper before you place the coffee husks. Before placing the coffee husks, you first place this paper here to prevent water from spoiling this ply here. We have our birds. The first bunch was received. We received it properly. Over 2,500 birds. I will just take you through the room. So, since we are in the brooding process, not all the shoes are allowed inside. These are the shoes that are used here in our brooder. I change. And then I eat about my food. I have to go there with some feed that I have to give my birds. Yes. Just like you can see the 2,500 birds on the upper level, they are here very lively and active. Very lively and active. Why should you meet some of our lessons here? Hope you can see. Birds are already here, waiting for the feed to be given the first bunch. These are our bosses. So here in my first brood, I hope you can see the pots. We have arranged the pots. These are 2,500 birds for the upper floor. We are brooding. This is the second. We are in the first. We are completing the second week. We are starting the second week. Completing the second week. Hope you can see.